I like to just kind of step back and look at the human dynamics a little bit, just in that there's like a natural tension and conflict that often exists between contractors and code officers, right? You got code officers who are trying to make sure that they're protecting the health and safety of their charge. You've got contractors that are trying to, function in a market. And what we found to be really helpful, I started in the industry out in Montana where towns are few and far between, so we might only work in a few jurisdictions. And in that case, it's a lot easier to form those relationships and really be proactive. It's always nice to have a conversation on code when there isn't a project in front of a code official, just so you can talk about generalities. We'll call during the sales process, right? Like we may have a project where, there's something that's out of the ordinary. And asking permission versus begging forgiveness is something that code officials like a lot. And I think that it's inherently in your best interest to do it. And I think just generally, especially in markets that aren't mature, where you don't have general code official knowledge across the board, if you can become a contractor that those code officials lean on for interpretation, that's the gauge of how well you form those relationships.